I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. For you are my rock and my fortress, therefore, for your name's sake, lead me and guide me. Therefore you are great, O Lord God. For there is none like you, nor is there any God besides you, according to all that we have heard with our ears. We love him because he first loved us. For every house is built by someone, but he who built all things is God. And we have known and believed the love that God has for us. God is love, and he who abides in love abides in God, and God in him. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good, blessed is the man who trusts in him.